Using AI to generate a lot of code for repetitive tasks in programming can sometimes generate a lot of technical debt. A very good example is when you need to be doing a lot of entities using the repository pattern. Typically, you're going to have a whole lot of entities or a whole lot of tables, let's say 20 to 50, and you just want to use AI to do the boilerplate code for maybe even generating the code to connect to the database. So in this example, we're going to just focus on DeepSeek. What I love about DeepSeek is that on the free model, you can use it for quite a long time with a lot of prompts. This is different from Claude, which, I mean, within a couple of minutes, you could be using up your free tier for the day or for the time period. So we're going to ask DeepSeek a very, very simple generic pattern, which is the repository pattern, to just create a whole lot of them. In this code, we've a few entities, inventory, order item, and product. And we just wanted to run an update. So now where things are going wrong for DeepSeek is that it's not completely filling the entity, which is inventory. So instead, it's trying to pass each property or each column individually. The other thing is that it's also trying to hard code the date time. It's going to work. If you're going to run it, it's going to work immediately. But this is not good practice, or you could think of it as almost technical debt in a way. You're not supposed to be hard coding daytime anyway. And this sort of thing, it could go hidden. It might be difficult for a developer to pick this sort of thing up. And then the other thing is that if you had more than just 4 of these entities, you could be repeating this same problem 50, 100, however many entities you have. You could be repeating this a lot of times. So the correct way to do it would be to instead have an update DTO, have the entire entity, have all the properties of that entity being filled in, instead of trying to hard code this datetime here. So this is just a very, very simple example of how using AI, even for a very simple task such as a well-known repository pattern, of how you can actually just start generating technical debt.